For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Indian film director and screenwriter Basu Chatterjee dies at 90. The veteran breathed his last on Thursday due to age-related health issues. He passed away in his sleep at his Santa Cruz residence. He was born in Ajmer on January 10, 1927. Fans on social media remembered his work in the film industry and mourned his death. Through the 1970s and 1980s, he was associated with what was known as a middle cinema or middle-of-the-road cinema. Chatterjee started his career as an illustrator and cartoonist with the weekly tabloid Blitz, published in Mumbai by Rusi Karanjia. He worked there for 18 years. Basu Chatterjee worked with filmmakers like Hrishikesh Mukherjee and Basu Bhattacharya, whom he assisted on Teesri Kasam. Basu Chatterjee's films also dealt with light-hearted stories of middle-class families, often in urban settings, focusing on marital and love relationships, with exceptions such as Ek Ruka Hua Faisla and Kamla Ki Maut, which delved into social and moral issues. He is best known for his films Us Par, Chhoti Si Baat, Chit Chor, Rajnigandha, Piya Ka Ghar, Khatta Meetha, Chakravyuh, Baaton Baaton Mein, Priyatma, Manpasand, Hamari Bahu Alka, Shauqeen and Chameli Ki Shaadi, which was his last commercially successful film. Chatterjee later won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film. Eventually, he made his directorial debut with Sara Akash in 1969, which won him the Filmfare Best Screenplay Award. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee offered their condolences to Basu Chatterjee.
Sad to hear the demise of Shri Basu Chatterjee. His works are brilliant and sensitive. It touched people's hearts and represented the simple and complex emotions as well as struggles of people. Condolences to his family and innumerable fans. Om Shanti.
Saddened at the demise of legendary film director and screenwriter Basu Chatterjee. He gave us gems like Chhoti Si Baat, Chit Chor, Rajnigandha, Byomshek Bakshi, Rajni, among others. Condolences to his family, friends, fans and the entire film fraternity. Ashok Pandit, the president of the Indian Film and Television Directors Association, extended his condolences to Chatterjee on his Twitter handle.
I am extremely grieved to inform you all of the demise of legendary filmmaker Basu Chatterjee ji. His last rites will be performed today at Santa Cruz West, opposite Police Station Crematorium at 3 p.m. It's a great loss to the industry. We'll miss you, sir. Hashtag rest in peace, Basu Chatterjee.
Senior Bollywood actor Anupam Kher also extended his condolences to Basu Chatterjee and wrote on his Twitter handle,
Basuda, aapki bahut yaad aayegi. We will miss you, Basuda. Your simplicity in your persona and in your cinema. Om Shanti. Hashtag Basu Chatterjee.
बासु चटर्जी के निधन के बारे में पता चला, स्वाभाविक सी बात है कि दिल के किसी कोने में एक टीस सी उठी। कुछ लोगों के जाने से ऐसा लगता कि एक पूरा का पूरा संस्थान चला गया, पूरा का पूरा इंस्टीट्यूशन चला गया। हम सब बासु जी की फिल्मों पर बड़े हुए। उन्होंने एक कॉमन मैन को हीरो बनाया, जो उस दशक में बहुत मुश्किल था, बिकॉज फिल्मों में हमेशा जो हीरो होते हैं वो लार्जर देन लाइफ होते हैं। मुझे 2 फिल्मों में उनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला। एक फिल्म थी जेवर और एक थी गुदगुदी। उनकी खासियत ये थी कि वो हर चीज़ को आसान बना देते थे। जैसे उनकी फिल्में देखना आसान होता था, कोई इसमें बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरी पारिवारिक फिल्में, एक जैसे ज़िंदगी की अच्छी लहरें होती हैं, ज़िंदगी की अच्छी खिलखिलाहट होती है जिसका कोई सानी नहीं होता है। वो बस ये बोलते थे, अरे कर दो यार, कुछ भी सिंसियरली कर दो, अच्छा ही लगेगा।
Rakesh Roshan also remembers Basu Chatterjee and talks about his wonderful work in the industry.
Basuda's films always impressed me and I used to yearn to work with him. In those days, he lived 100 yards away from my house in Santa Cruz. We would often meet and I never skipped a chance to tell him how much I wanted to work with him. We eventually did 3 films, Priyatma, Hamari Bahu Alka and Khatta Meetha. The latter was the first one that we did together. Working with him, I realized what a simple man he was. He was a great storyteller, gifted with an amazing sense of humor and a beautiful smile. At work, he was a disciplined man who would place the camera and allow his actors to narrate the story. Working with him was like a picnic, no stress and no worries. It was age that caught up with him, and sadly, he parted with us today, leaving a void that can't be filled.
Rest in peace, Basu Chatterjee.